Hey guys, in this video we told you how to enable dark mode on YouTube Studio. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let's see how to enable dark mode on YouTube Studio. First go to YouTube Studio app and you will see that there is a notification button on top right. Click on this button. You will see that there is a setting button on top right. Click on setting button. There is an appearance tab, dark mode. Click on appearance tab. You will see that YouTube Studio is dark. Enjoy it, and if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more detail like this. Thanks.